How to lose weight in 3 simple steps. Reduce refined carbs. One way to lose weight fast is to cut back on sugar and starches or carbohydrates. This can be done through a low-carb meal plan or by cutting out refined carbs and replacing them with whole grains. When you do this, your hunger drops and you eat fewer calories. With a low-carb diet plan, you'll use stored fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. When you choose to eat more complex carbohydrates, like whole grains, along with a calorie deficit, you benefit from more fiber and digest it more slowly. This makes them more fleshed out to your satisfaction. A 2020 study confirmed that a very low-carb diet is beneficial for weight loss in older adults. Eat protein, fat and vegetables. Try adding a variety of foods to each meal. To balance your plate and help you lose weight, your meals should include protein source, fat source, vegetable, a small portion of complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains. Protein. Eating the recommended amount of protein is essential for maintaining health and muscle mass while losing weight. In general, men need an average of 56 to 91 grams per day and women need an average of 46 to 75 grams per day. Healthy protein sources include meat, beef, chicken, pork and lamb. Seafood, salmon, trout, sardines and shrimp. Egg. Plant proteins, beans, quinoa, tempeh and tofu. Vegetable. Don't be afraid to fill your plate with leafy greens. They're packed with nutrients, and you can eat a lot without adding a lot of calories and carbs. All vegetables are nutrient-dense, healthy foods to add to your diet, but some vegetables, such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, winter squash, and corn, are higher in carbohydrates. These vegetables are considered complex carbs because they contain fiber, but you should pay attention to portion size when adding these vegetables to your plate. Vegetables include more broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, tomato, kale, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, cucumber, pepper. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of eating fats. Your body still requires healthy fats no matter what eating plan you choose. Olive oil and avocado oil are great choices for including in your eating plan. Nuts, seeds, olives, and avocados are delicious and healthy additions, as well. Be active. While it's not necessary to exercise in order to lose weight, it can speed up the process. Weightlifting in particular has many advantages. You'll burn calories while lifting weights, preventing your metabolism from slowing down, which is a common side effect of weight loss. Aim for 3 to 4 times a week of strength training. A trainer might be able to assist you in getting started if you've never lifted weights before. Cardio exercises like walking, jogging, running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for weight loss and general health if lifting weights is not an option for you. Exercises like aerobics and weightlifting can both promote health and aid in weight loss. Please subscribe to our channel to support us.